If you're wondering what's new in UI 8 on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. We can then scroll all the way down and enter tips and user guides, and here find what's new in UI 8. So as you can see, there's a list of all of the new features. There's 7 new options that we can find, and first one is broadcast the sound to others around you. You can enter this option and then learn more about it. So for example, you can broadcast media you're listening to or broadcast your voice using your phone, microphone, so people nearby can listen. If they have the Samsung devices, for example, Galaxy Buds, then you'll be able to broadcast your sound or microphone into those. Then there's send calls to direct voicemail. If there's a call incoming, you'll be able to see this swipe down, as you can see on the screen right here, and then swipe up and transfer the call directly to voicemail. Then we have keep personal photos private. You can enter gallery. New private album lets you secure your sensitive photos and videos and keep them private. Then we have don't miss a word during call. Use call captions to show what each person says on the screen in real time. So if you're even in a group call, you'll be able to see the specific captions for each person in that group. Then there's the option for get recommended wallpapers from your own images. You can go into wallpaper customization and then find the recommended wallpapers based on the images you have. Then we have try a lock screen clock that fits your photos. You can adjust the clock on your lock screen, and then it will try to adjust to your image so that it doesn't overlap on the image. Instead, it will align with it so it looks nicely. Then lastly, we have easier access to Galaxy Buds settings. So if you're using Galaxy Buds, you'll be able to access them easily by finding exact specific Galaxy Buds option inside the settings menu. And that is all of the features. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.